start.
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at a project management software known as Jira. So we're going to be learning how to use Jira. So what is Jira? Jira is a project management software made by an Australian company called Atlassian. This Jira can be used in bug tracking, issue tracking, and for project management. So we say that Jira is a project management tool developed by an Australian company called Atlassian, and it is basically used to do these three things: bug tracking, issue tracking, and project management. Is that clear? So Jira was built with software development in mind. That's where when you go to bigger software companies, they are using Jira as their project management tool in order for them to achieve their goals at the required time. Is that clear? So if you're employed in a very big software development company, it's likely that you're going to be using Jira as the tool for your project management, so that you can meet up the time and the limits given to you. Now, what do we mean by bug tracking? When you create your software and your software is not able to meet the features, or you are having errors in your code, call them bugs. Is that clear? So you can use Jira to do that bug, to track all these bugs, so that your team members can be able to see the problem you're having and help you out. What is issue tracking? Issue tracking is that you're bringing in new features, or as you're doing your meeting, new things are popping up. So you can create issues to be able to help you out, sort out all those. Then what is project management? As you all know, project management is when you're able to set out a target for yourself, isn't it? With time and with the number of resource people that you have, and you're able to meet the target. You understand? You're able to interact with your client. Your client is able to update you from time to time. You take those into consideration, and you're able to give out the software in record time. So we say that it is basically used to track issues and bugs related to software and mobile app. Is that clear? Jira is streamlined to software development. We have other project management tools like Pivotal Tracker. We have the GitHub bots. You understand? Then we have other kinds of project management tools that people that are not in software that are using. But if you're going into a big software development company, Jira is the tool. It's just the number one. So you have to learn how to use it. Now, in our course outline, we are going to be looking at creating a project in Jira. You understand? You're going to create an account with Jira using the cloud method. So once you create the account, you should be able to create projects. Then when you create projects, we'll be looking at how to create issues. You understand? We'll be looking at subtasks, workflow, backlog, how to create an agile project, look at epics. We're also going to be looking at Jira reports, how to give Jira reports. We are going to be looking at under project, the components, scripts, attributes, and schemes. Now, the project we are going to be creating should be a Scrum project. And what is Scrum? Scrum is the framework for implementing Agile. If you want to implement Agile methodology of approaching your project, you understand? Scrum is one of the best framework for that. There are other ones, you understand, Kanban and all the rest. We are going to look at all of them. But if you want to implement Agile methodology, you must use what? You must use what? You can use, not must, you can use Scrum, and Scrum is one of the best. So in using Scrum, what does it do? Where products in Scrum, products are built in a series of fixed length of iterations called sprints that give the team ability to ship on regular cadence. You understand? There's what when you are using Scrum, you break your project, you understand, into sprints, where people can sit down like this, discuss. So when you discuss, you implement. When you discuss, you implement. So it makes you do this over and over. That's what we call iteration. So if you finish designing your software today, you understand, the next day or the next time you people are meeting, first of all, you guys are going to look at what you've done so far. You understand? How do you improve on it? You ask what problems are the various members of the software team, what they are having as their problem. You understand? You now make an arrangement and effect the next work. So that's what Scrum is all about. Scrum is all about is an agile framework where products are built in series of So you can divide your sprints to be two weeks sprints. Is that clear? When you finish this, you continue the other one. So by doing so, you are able to improve on your work. So we're going to be looking at how to use create a project in Scrum. You understand? First of all, we create an account in Jira Cloud. You understand? We'll try to create a project in Scrum. Then we'll be able to learn all these things that we've itemized. You understand? So in subsequent class, I'm going to be explaining more on Scrum. You understand? And also what Agile methodology is all about. Then before we can create the account and do it. So thank you.